180. They add up to 180. So how would we find the supplement of 164 degrees? Yep, 180 minus 164, which gives us 16 degrees. We know about a straight line. What does it add up to? 180. So what do you think I should do with these two sides, these two angles right here? Add them and set them equal to 180. Yeah, good. So 2x plus 117 plus x equals 180. So I'm going to combine the x's here. What's 2x plus x? Yeah, 3x plus 117 equals 180. What should be my next step? What's that? Oh, so 2x plus x. So this is like a 1 in front of it. Yeah. Yeah, just adds it. Okay, so subtract 117. So 3x equals, what is that, 63?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what? Divide by 3, right? So x equals 21. How would we find the measure of angle A?
It's the same as angle.
What's that magical number?
X.
360. So 360 minus what? Minus 100 minus 95 minus 85. And then what does that leave us with? Can someone do the math? 80? 80 degrees. Okay, number 4. 360 minus what? 90 minus 90 minus 72. What does that leave us with? 108, I think?
Yes.
Cool. Parallelograms. So, definition of a parallelogram. If a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. So if it's a parallelogram, then these sides are parallel, so they're never going to touch. And then top and bottom are both parallel. They're never going to touch. Questions for me? A quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then its opposite angles are congruent. Okay? So if this is 30, or we'll say that if this is 40, and this is 40, this would be 140, and this would be 140. What do you notice also about all of these angles? What will they add up to?
360.
Yeah, they're always going to add up to 360.
I got the Google Classroom.
Okay, 6.4. If a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then its consecutive angles are supplementary. So let me show you what that means. Okay. Consecutive means side by side. Okay, so these two angles will add up to 180. These two angles will add up to 180. These two add up to 180. These two add up to 180. Okay, so what that means, let's say x equals 30. 30 degrees. To find y, what would I subtract from? Yeah, 180 minus 30 gives me 150. So 30 plus 150 equals 180. Then, if this is 150, what's this angle? Yeah. No. I'm just kind of trying to explain it. So the angles across from each other are the same. To find the angle beside it, you subtract from 180. Is a parallelogram, then its diagonals bisect each other. Okay? So a bisector splits it in half. So this side will be congruent to this side will be congruent to this. So if the top half, if the top half is 3, what's this side right here? 3. If this is 10, what's the right side? 10. That's what that is saying. Alternate interior angles are congruent. Okay, so this angle is congruent to this angle, this to that. That's what that's saying. So if this angle is 50, oh my goodness. This angle is 50, this angle over here is 50. This is 40, this is 40.
So it doesn't matter about detention.
Nope. So let's look at the first one. Determine whether the following quadrilaterals are parallelograms.
We have to draw the shapes, I guess. We don't
Okay. So what do you guys think?
Do we have to draw it? Put the little triangle.
What do you guys think? Hey,